Today I want to share with you my two favorite superfoods. One is MCT oil and raw cacao. Now these two superfoods are the perfect combination to enhance your health, to increase your energy, and help with any weight loss goals you might have. So let me tell you what MCT oil does. MCT oil is different than coconut oil. It's actually a lot more potent and actually can help with more weight loss goals than coconut oil. And the reason is that because it releases a hormone called leptin and peptide, which helps you feel fuller, longer, and helps decrease body fat in the body. It's also been known to help with Alzheimer's and other diseases within the body. It also adds with brain cognition, so it increases the blood flow so that you have better focus and mental capacity. This MCT oil is one of my favorite superfoods to constantly put in my body every single day. Another favorite ingredient is raw cacao. Now, raw cacao is the most highest antioxidant food on the planet. It contains also other chemicals like flavonols, which increases energy and blood flow into the body, which also enhances brain cognition, memory, focus, and energy. It contains theobromine, which is different than caffeine. It gives you that energy without that crash and helps you just feel really good in your body. It also contains a chemical called anandamide, which gives you that feeling of bliss when you fall in love with somebody. These are my two favorite superfoods, and let me tell you, I've taken 2 of these plus 5 other superfoods and infused them into cacao bliss. This is an amazing elixir that you get to add to your daily life. It tastes absolutely delicious and promotes so much health benefits. Don't forget to click subscribe and click like, because that helps me know if you like these videos, and clicking subscribe will let you be notified when my next video is out. I love you, I'm celebrating you, and I'll see you on the next video.